Hey there, financial wizards. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday money moves to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from Navy Federal to another bank in 2025. Whether you're sending funds for a big purchase, paying off debts, or just managing your budget across accounts, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring like a pro in no time. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Navy Federal Credit Union account. Head to their website or open the mobile app. Make sure you're using the latest version for 2025 updates, which include enhanced security features like biometric login. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard for easy access. Next, if you haven't already linked your external bank account, you'll need to add it. Click on Add External Account and enter the routing and account numbers from your other bank. Navy Federal might send a small verification deposit to confirm everything's legit. Expect that to happen within 1 to 3 business days. Once verified, you're good to go. Now, for the actual transfer. Select Transfer Funds and choose your Navy Federal account as the source. Enter the destination account, the amount you want to send, and pick a transfer date. Options might include same day for a fee or standard ACH for free, which typically takes 1 to 3 days in 2025. Double-check all details to avoid any hiccups. Mistakes here could delay your money or incur fees. Before you hit confirm, keep in mind a few tips. Always use secure networks to protect your info and check for any transfer limits or fees specific to your account type. Navy Federal is known for low fees, but it's smart to review them up front. And just like that, you're done. Your transfer is on its way. In 2025, with faster processing times, you might see the funds in your other account quicker than ever. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.